In this video, I want to show you how you can earn at least 100k in the next 60 days using just your Facebook and Meta AI. It's going to be so practical that I will tell you what to do, how to do it. Then you are going to watch me do it step by step. Best part, I'm going to show you 7 amazing ways you can make money using this strategy I'm about to show you. We are talking about daily credit alerts right now. I use this strategy to make money every single day. This is something I've done over and again and again. You can see my result here. I earn every single day using this strategy. Now, are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside you so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. This strategy is about writing and selling ebooks. Ebooks are the easiest way to make money every single day on the internet. I have been doing this for years and it works. It doesn't require a lot. Now, before you say, I don't know how to write book, don't worry. I am here to show you exactly how to do that in this video. I'm going to show you how to write a book. I will even tell you what to write on. Then I'm going to show you 7 amazing ways to sell this book so you get paid every single day. So there are 4 steps involved. The first one is to pick a hot topic. This is very, very important. If you are going to make sales every single day, you have to write on something a lot of people are interested in and they are willing to give you money in exchange for the value you offer them. Here is a couple of topics you may want to consider. Health-related topics, how to cure diabetes and other sicknesses that are common, how to start a side hustle that earns money, fastest way to grow an online business that pulls in cash, secrets to getting promoted at workplace even before your seniors, how to save 20% of your monthly income as a salary earner, even on a low salary. These topics are hot because they solve a problem for a target audience. For the purpose of this video, we're going to write a book on how to become a social media influencer in 90 days. Writing a book can be done in few hours using AI. Now, bear in mind that this book should be short. It doesn't have to be 50 pages, 100 pages. If you make it 10 pages, 16 pages, 20, 25 pages, that will be perfect. The reason is because people are not open to reading long content anymore. So give them value and make it short. Once you pick your topic, the next thing is to go on and get subtopics that will make chapters of your book. This is where AI comes in. So let's go on and ask AI to generate topics that will make up chapters of our book. So I asked Meta AI that I want to write a book on how to become a social media influencer in 90 days. What are the topics that can form chapters of this book? So voila, it goes on to give me this answer. It says, congratulations on your book project. Here are some main topics. So it actually went on to create chapters of my book. Chapter 1, setting up for success. Chapter 2, chapter 3, 4, 5, and even 10. So it ended up saying, remember to provide actionable tips, examples, and case studies to support each chapter and make the book a valuable resource for your readers. Good luck. If you look at it, this is well detailed. Now the next step is to go on and create these chapters. And trust me, this Meta AI is also there for you. As it's writing it, you are copying it and pasting it in a safe place where you are going to eventually edit it, tweak it, and make it perfect. So I went on to ask it to write just a chapter of the book to show you exactly what I'm saying. So I said, chapter 3 of my book is titled Building Your Audience. Write detailed content on how to build audience on social media. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points where necessary. Now look at the result it gave me. Here's a detailed content for chapter 3, Building Your Audience. Now it went on to explain it in details with bullet points. Like you read this, you can see a whole lot of my chapter 3. So what you need to do now would be to copy it, paste it on a safe place where you are going to edit, tweak, and perfect it before it's made a full book. Again, I went on to ask it to give me stories, relatable stories that I'm going to use to make up for this. So I said, tell me a story of popular social media influencer that started from scratch. Guys, look at the answer. Meet Emily, a 25-year-old fashion enthusiast who had just graduated from college. She had a passion for styling and sharing her outfit and blah, blah, blah. Like the story continues. This is an interesting story. At this stage, we have finished writing the book. Once you're done writing your own book, take out time to edit it and proofread. Share tips, guides, hacks, and even relatable stories and examples that will help your audience enjoy this book. It's one thing creating this digital product, it's another thing knowing where and how to sell this book so you get daily alerts. That's why you need to wait to the end of this video, because I'm about to hand over to you 7 unique ways to sell on Facebook. No one has ever told you this. As soon as you're done writing it, the next step is to publish the book and design a book cover. So let's go over to Canva. Over here, just type ebook, and then it's going to show you templates that you can use absolutely free. So once you pick one, all you need is copy this work we've done and come over here and paste it. Arrange your book. The book is ready. The next thing to do is to design a book cover. And yes, Canva will design a free ebook cover for you, absolutely free. And so come over here and type ebook cover, and then you're going to see a lot of samples. What you need to do is to pick the one you like and tweak it. Change those images, change the text to the title of your book, and then write images that fits nicely. Once you are done designing this book, the next step is to download your book and head over to a website called adazing.com. Over there, you are going to convert this book cover to a mock-up. If you don't have a Canva account, click on the second link in the video to create a free account for yourself. Step 3 is to price your book and start selling. When it comes to pricing book and selling daily, one of the biggest secrets, especially for you as a beginner, is to make your book a low-priced offer. Price it between 1,000 to 3,000. This way, people easily buy the book once they find it valuable. The next thing is to post your book. So where are you going to keep this book? So when people make payment, you send them a copy of the book. There are 3 places I'm going to share with you. The first one is Google Drive. Google Drive is absolutely free, but one problem with Google Drive is that it can easily be pirated. The second place is your website. This is your own platform. And the third place to host your book is Seller. So Seller has a free account and a premium account. You need to check them out and see if it's something you like. Step 4 is to start promoting and making daily sales. And trust me, this is easier than you think. So long as you're willing to follow the guide I'm about to give you, when it comes to selling book online, anybody can sell if you know how to write. Now, in the past, it used to be very difficult to create daily content that sells anything or educate and entertain people, but that's no longer the case. With the emergence of AI, especially Meta AI, you can write interesting, engaging, educating, and marketing posts in a blink of eyes, just clicking few buttons. So what you need to do would be to ask Meta AI to do the writing for you. Your content at this stage should do 3 things. It's called the KLT factor. Know, like, and trust. So you are going to create content that are designed to educate, inform, entertain, and then promote this book. You can post as much as 5 posts a day. To make your post very engaging and get the attention of your target audience, you will need to back it up with right images. And of course, AI can generate these images for you. When it comes to getting prompts that generate beautiful, gorgeous, hyper-realistic images like this, you need to know how to prompt, what to key in to help AI to get to beautiful images. And that's where this book comes in. This book on 100 AI prompts was written with you in mind. So with this book, you will never have issues generating prompts that AI will use to get you beautiful, hyper-realistic images like these ones you are seeing right now on the screen. To get this book, click on the first link in the description of this video or the one in the first comment to have access to the book. Once you click on the link, after payment, please wait a few seconds for the site to generate a link for you to download your book. It is automated. All right, let's talk about how to sell this book. Now, it's one thing creating this digital product, it's another thing knowing where and how to sell this book so you get daily alerts. Plus, I have a bonus for you. Yes, this is actually something I have been using on a daily basis. Here are 7 unique and amazing places to sell this ebook. The first place is your personal profile. So on Facebook, you have a personal account. I don't care what you've been doing in the past. Go on and claim your profile. Start today to create content that are designed to educate, inform, entertain, and promote this product. Just in case you don't know, people are earning thousands of dollars every single day from their Facebook account alone. The second place where you are going to sell on Facebook is your business page. So business page is what people use to run adverts. You have a personal account, you have business page. So you need to create a business page where you are going to educate, entertain, and sell this product. The third place to sell is a targeted Facebook groups. If If you write a book on how to cure diabetics and you are in a Facebook group for aged people in their 50s and above, you are sure that majority of members of this group are either going through this or they have aged parents that are going through this. Being in such community is guaranteed way of selling every single day. This community could be your own if you have one, or other people's group. Some of them will allow you to post for free if the content is purely educating and engaging. Some will require you pay a token to promote your book there. Either way, it's worth the investment. The fourth place to sell on Facebook is your Facebook stories. I don't know about you, but my stories get hundreds of views anytime I post there. If you start today and you are consistent, you will be surprised how far you've grown and you're able to sell on your stories. Next place to sell on Facebook is Facebook Reels. Guys, Facebook Reels can actually go viral if you offer value in a way people like it. So yes, make short videos about your product and services, put them on Reels, allow Facebook to promote it for you. There's a whole lot of sales going on there. The sixth place to sell on Facebook is Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if you guys know about Marketplace. Marketplace has been the biggest market out there where people are selling their products and services on a daily basis. I connected with someone on Marketplace a couple of months ago, and in these few months we have done transactions to the tune of 700k. If you've not started exploring it, now it's time to do that. The last place to sell on Facebook is Facebook paid ads. So if you want to make a lot of sales, spend some money advertising this product of yours. Put this product in the faces of your target audience and you are going to convert hundreds of them in no time. Now, here is the bonus where I sell my product and make daily sales. That's YouTube. So I have this product here that sells every single day. If you look at this, you see that today being Wednesday, I've already made sales. Everything about this book is automated, so I don't have to be there to make sales. It's amazing and it's something you can do. So what you need to do would be to create a YouTube channel, become a YouTuber. Why I love the YouTube strategy is that you just need to make the video once. In the next 5, 6 years, 7 years, this particular video you made will continue to drive traffic and generate sales for you so long as people are watching this. That's why I advise you become a YouTuber. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, you are missing a lot. You are leaving a lot of money on the table. As a coach, I want to help you create a profitable YouTube channel that generates income for you on a daily basis. So I have monthly group coaching program and a one-on-one coaching program. Use the second link in the description of this video or the one in the comment section to sign up for my class. It could be a group coaching program, otherwise known as 10-day YouTube challenge, or my one-on-one coaching program. I can't wait to help you grow a profitable YouTube channel that generates income for you on a daily basis. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. Share with us in the comment section the topic you'd like to write your book on, and I will share quick tips that will help you get value-packed content that makes sales on a daily basis for you. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.